Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Follow us to learn how to make this delicious beetroot jam and drink that's taking the world by storm. First, you'll need 1 beetroot, 1 carrot, 1 lemon, and 1 ginger root. First, wash your beetroot and trim off the ends. Then, you'll want to chop your beetroot into very small cubes. Once you have finished cubing your beetroot, you'll want to get your food processor and toss all the pieces inside. Next, take your carrot, wash it, and then cut it into circles. You will then toss all of these pieces into the food processor with the beetroot, as you can see in the video. Then you'll want to wash and add 1 handful of spinach, last but not least, if you've not already, you may want to peel and wash your ginger root. Then, slice it into pieces as so, and then put it in your food processor. And cut and juice your lemon with your favorite method. Make sure you don't get any seeds inside. You'll want to add 1 teaspoon of honey as well. That's what turns this vegetable juice into a delicious juice. Next, add 2 cups of water to the food processor, and then get ready to blend it. Make sure you don't go over the maximum line on your food processor, otherwise things might get messy. Now once you uncap the lid, you might notice that it doesn't look the most appetizing, but don't worry. Next, you'll want to get 1 colander or a mesh sieve and run your drink through that sieve. This will separate the solids from the liquids. But don't throw any of this out yet, because we're going to make both jam and juice. If you have to, use a spatula to make sure you get all of the juices through. Keep in mind that this yields about 2 cups of juice and a lot of jam. But that's okay. If you don't finish it in your first serving, you can store it for later in the fridge. Using the other half of the lemon, squeeze that lemon using again your favorite method into these solids. And then, you'll want to add approximately 1 teaspoon of honey and mix it all up. This should leave you with a very nice, smooth paste for jam that you can use anywhere, including on your morning toast. It will leave you feeling energized, refreshed, ready to start your day, and best of all, it tastes healthy while also being healthy. This tastes so good, you'll finish it to the very last finger-licking bite.
It's really good. I like it. That's the last piece. I'll finish.
We hope you enjoyed this recipe and you gave it a try too at home. If you did, let us know how it went down in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up, share this video, hit the subscribe button, like, and let us know what you'd like to see in our next recipe video. Thanks for watching!
Yesu, Yesu, Rafiki, ahadi zake kweli. Yesu, Yesu ni